What up, guys? Hello, welcome to LanceDIY. Today, my people, we're gonna fix the leaking gutter. Look at that. Look at that gutter. Got a little fix for this. It's not that difficult, actually. And I'll show you what's going on above, so that way you can address it so it doesn't come down. All right, so you can see the problem right here. If you look right there, water's going behind the metal and not into the gutter. That's why it's going down. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a piece of tin up there. We're going to slide it up in there and get the water in the gutter. So now you can see right there how the water is getting redirected. That's it, people. I got an 1.25 inch self-tapping screw. That's aluminum. It's all self-tapping. I'm just going to screw it in place. All right, people, I know it doesn't seem like much, but right now it's winter here in Ohio, obviously for the snow. But what's going to happen is that if this water continues to drop right below my front door, it's going to cause a lot of ice. Somebody, myself, a kid, an adult, elderly person can definitely walk through that and slip and fall. So it's pretty important to keep that water away from, especially your front of your house. So that's a little tip. But now you can see that the water is being redirected.